Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen on Nintendo Switch. First, connect your Cronus Zen device to your computer using the micro USB programming port. Open the Zen Studio software and check for any available firmware updates. A small notification will usually appear if an update is ready. Keeping your device updated ensures compatibility with new games and systems, so always perform this step. Now, let's connect the Zen device physically to your Nintendo Switch. Use a good quality USB-C cable, connecting one end to the Zen's console USB port. Plug the other end into an open USB port on your Switch dock. Next, connect your preferred wired controller, like an Xbox One or PlayStation 4 gamepad, to the Zen's a one port. This setup routes your controller input through the Zen, enabling its features directly on your Switch console. With your Zen connected to the Switch, return to the Zen Studio software on your computer. Select the Programmer tab to access various game packs and scripts. Drag your desired game pack, perhaps one tailored for your favorite Switch title, to an empty slot on your Zen device. Customize any specific parameters within the game pack, like sensitivity or button layouts. Finally, save these settings to your Zen, transferring them for use with your Nintendo Switch. Once your Zen is configured, launch a game on your Nintendo Switch to test everything. Observe if your controller inputs are responsive, and if the loaded game pack's features are active as expected. If you experience any problems, first ensure all USB cables are securely plugged in and that the Zen is receiving power. For more complex issues, the Cronus Zen online forums offer extensive guides and community support, helping you resolve most common setup challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.